Today we're going to start with a problem. A cyclist rides 4,154 kilometres in May. In June she cycles 1,522 kilometres. How many more kilometres does she cycle during May? Let's use a bar model to represent our problem. So I've drawn the bars for May and June, and I can see that May's bar is longer because she cycled further in May. So what do we need to find out? We need to find out the difference. We want to find out how many more kilometres does she cycle during May, which is the difference between the bars. Let's use column subtraction and our place value counters to help. So we're going to start with the ones. We're going to have 4 ones subtract 2 ones is equal to 2 ones. We're going to have 5 tens subtract 2 tens is equal to 3 tens. In our hundreds column we've got 100 subtract 5 hundreds. Hang on, we haven't got 500s to subtract. 100 subtract 500s. What can we do? I know, we can exchange 1,000. Remember, 1,000 is equal to 10 hundreds. So when we exchanged 1,000, we get our 10 hundreds. Let's note that on our written calculation. We haven't got 4,000s anymore, we've got 3,000s. And we haven't got 100 anymore, we've got 1,100s. So now we need to work out 1,100 subtract 500s. Cross 500s out and we can see we've got 600s left. Now look at our thousands column. 3,000 subtract 1,000 is equal to 2,000. So the cyclist cycles 2,632 kilometres further during May. So this is what we're learning about today. We're subtracting 4-digit numbers where there's one exchange. Let's have a look at this subtraction. 8,229 subtract 6,145. Notice I've made the minuend, the number we are subtracting from. So starting with our ones column, we've got 9 ones, subtract 5 ones is equal to 4 ones. Then our tens column, 2 tens subtract 4 tens, we can't do it. We haven't got 4 tens to subtract. So we need to exchange 100 for 10 tens. And let's note that on our written calculation. We haven't got 200s anymore, we've got 100. And we haven't got 2 tens anymore, we've got 12 tens. So 12 tens subtract 4 tens is equal to 8 tens. 100 subtract 100, well, we've got no hundreds left, so we use 0 as a placeholder. And in our thousands column, 8,000 subtract 6,000 is equal to 2,000. So the difference between our numbers is 2,084.